Hey, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can showcase your setups to the world, and it's 100% free. So let's get started. So number one in the list is CreativeApp. You can find it on a Google Play Store. I can drop the link in the description. You can check it from there also. So all you need to do is just create an account. It's free. You can check out the paid version also, but I recommend you try for free, and then if you like, you can go for the membership one. As you can see, there are plenty of new creatives every day uploaded on this platform, and you can get inspired by the thousands of old and new creatives. So just look at this. This is created by my partner, and as you can see that the details of this particular setup is already uploaded. The wallpaper is available, the icon pack, the launcher, every details is available. Not only that, you can actually create some new friends as well as build some community. And as you can see, that login process is pretty simple. You can log in from Google, Facebook or Twitter, and as you can see, there are plenty of comments and you can interact with your fans within the app. So as you can see, this usability is very simple. You just need to log in once and you can use the free version. There are no pressure to purchase paid subscription, but yes, you will see ads here and there. So if you want to avoid those ads, you can go for the premium version of this app. And as you can see, there are plenty of new creatives every day uploading, and the best part, if you get featured as setup of the day, then you will get a free traffic to your desired destination like Instagram or Telegram channel. So as you can see, there are plenty of other things you can check out one by one. Just I'm going through these features like free wallpapers, free themes, free creatives. So just watch it. In the second position, we have Screenie, the best app possibly, because the usability is so simple that anyone who doesn't have any technical knowledge can use this application. So the installation is very simple. You just need to go through the link of Google Play Store and just install and log in via Facebook or Google. And as you can see, there are plenty of already uploaded creatives over here, and the best part is they have categorized every single upload on their application. So there are basically 8 categories to choose from. For the time being, I am selecting the superhero category because many of you like superheroes. So as you can see, there are plenty of already creative uploaded on this application of superheroes. So you can get inspired and get in a motivation to create some awesome setups. And don't forget to share on Screenie App. So make sure you register yourself before you upload your first setup and get glorified. Now let's have a quick look of the app user interface, and I will get back to you after that. And as you can see, you can easily download the entire backup files of any particular setup on this app. So you just need to install all the required applications, and you just need to hit the backup file to restore the entire setup on your own phone. So the last but not the least is the Pro Screens application. It is also a very easy to use application. You can easily download from a Google Play Store. I will share the link in the description below, so make sure you check it out from there only. The user interface of this app is also very simple. So if you are not that much technical, you can easily get to know about this user interface, and easily you can upload your first setup. Now quickly I give you a walkthrough of this application so that you can understand it better. If you don't have any third-party templates, you can use their own templates. You have plenty of free wallpapers to choose from for your next setup. Make sure you check out the contest tab of this application and win some cool stuff from this application. So let's have a quick look of this application and I will get back to you after this. So as you can see that to upload your own creativity, you just need to fill up this application form and just submit, and it will be reviewed by the moderators and it will get features in this application. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please do share this video to your friends and help them out. Make sure you like this and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the on-screen video.